It's almost lunchtime, but I got a really good sweet snack in the mail, so I want to try it out. I got these through the TikTok shop, and they are pistachio marshmallows. I love marshmallows, but I love pistachio marshmallows even more. Anything pistachio. But look how yummy they look. You can see all the specks of pistachio in it. Okay. Oh, they're so soft. Oh my gosh. Look how squishy. Oh, they smell so good. Yum, they smell like pistachio ice cream. All right, let's try. I'm so happy. All those are pistachio specks. Oh my god. So freaking bomb. If you love marshmallows, you have to try these. Oh my gosh, they're so good. I can only eat 2 because I'm making lunch. But man, oh man, these are so good. I'm gonna link them here. Have to try them.